Uba Arden Mila Basayamot, President ke Voice of the People Party, kebadan hakal yang persa aying dorbar tawan ke jela, but MLA ke nongkram haka katnyo terik rempang arajar arpondrio, ula bu jingkeli halor ke number bala ai da ke sarkar jela, halor ki bayap na ke jingjia betai bom dynamite hakram Dewïong hatangsko, East Janda Hills District, but shim bagadai tang bantap Eit-Miaw ya ke jingjular ke basyirkai. Dak bapen pau jing artatien halor ketika jing kenjing dia kabala ai dak sarkar jela uba ardan ula dawa badai ban ai ka number ka basisha jongki nong bala ki badan hakapor baklam ki kram Dewïong namar ke jing pentip na ki nong song snong kalong kongpong ya ka bayathu ka sarkar jela ula ong bagi dan ki papentip bagi nong belati Dewïong hakawai kawai ka kram ki dan om duna ya ka henropo hadu nyo pongot halor ke jing thau ke sarkar jela da ke judicial inquiry bantoket uba ardan ula ong baki jing mi na kini ki commission bala thau da ke sarkar na kapor kimpoi sha ru da ke baai nuksa halor ke jing toket ya ke jing jia syaksiat yap uba Chesterfield thank you General Secretary Berem Jong HNLC House Nam Araja Arpawai dak bakado bakadon kapor yaki aka baro baka sarkar jela kanomla ban bori lut yaki jing shisha uba ardan ula ong baki don ki bor ki balle kumbam yo I yaki kamti bat khayi Dewïong bean wat hapadang khat arsnam ga jingkhang ka National Green Tribunal ula ong badan hapadang ki Myntri sarkar ki balle man le Kyndit halor ka jing don ka kamti bat khayi Dewïong bean kumju halor ka jing don ki trok ki bakit Dewïong nalor kata ula ong balada ka sarkar kam dan benta bat gani ka kam kala day ban shim yaki sin jam bating yaki bor penyat district ka East Janda Hills da ka bapen pau bakaru kompen ken riak kam yaki kalong ka bajam palat.
We want to know exactly how many miners are there because those recovered bodies that the government have shown officially were not limited to the numbers that the government have given, right? We are trying to get the information from the local people and we are trying to inquire. Like normally, how many miners are used to be to work in one coal mines? So we were told that normally 60 to 70%. That is minimum. So if two coal mines were blasted, were collapsed, so do you think as responsible leader or a public representative will be satisfied with the figures given by the government? We want to know whether the government has got these statistics or not from those people whom they have arrested, whether they have inquired how many miners are there on that that day where the unfortunate incident took place. Let me be honest with you, as it is, the people, they have seen how the government is conducting, how the house is conducting. So the people also, they understand that the opposition parties will not be given enough opportunity to raise issues concerning the people. We will try. We have tried, we have done according to as per the rules and procedure of conduct of business. We don't want to go much beyond because the people have already made up their minds. They have seen what this government have been doing. They have seen how we were prevented every time to speak in the house. So there is time for everything. You see, going by the records of the outcomes, from these commission being constituted by the government from time to time. Latest, the commission constituted to find out the reason that led to the killing of the former General Secretary of the HNLC. Where is the outcome? Where have we, reached? So, going by the records, going by the history, we feel that we cannot expect much from this commission. As I've said, there is time for everything. There is time where the government can brush all the problems under the rug, right? But, when nature decides to unveil the truth, no one will be able to brush that issue under the carpet. The time where the government will deny is over. Now everybody all the nation came to know that illegal extraction of coal were taking place in Meghalaya. This is not the first incident, unfortunate incident, where precious lives have been claimed by some mishaps in the coal belt area. We should not forget, once the coal mines was flooded with water. That also was the case. And to our surprise, when the government, when some of the ministers expressed that they were shocking that there is an illegal extraction of coal the in the state. They were shocking to learn that those trucks are carrying coal. You see, how long can you do that? The government may deny, but the people knows it. The hills know it. The river knows, because they were affected by these illegal extraction of coal during these past 12 years. Can you imagine that after 12 years of the ban imposed by NGT, the government, till after that unfortunate incident, decided, to give a statement in the house that we will not tolerate, we will not go soft with those who are engaged in illegal extraction of coal. When they are themselves involved in the nexus, do you think that all these illegal transaction or extraction or illegal coal business will be able to take place without the knowledge of those who are in the government? If the government feel that yes, we have nothing to do with this illegal coal business, then why don't they straight away take action against the head of all these districts where the coal has to pass? The DC, the SP of all these 4-5 districts. Transfer is too lenient an action after so many lives have been claimed. As I've said, the government keep on denying for so long. This is not the first incident, but every time we raise the issue, the government is denying. Every time when we gave a statement, the government was denying. This is the time where the government can no longer deny. The government did not deny only the statement given by the retired Katiki. The government has been denying our statements also from time to time. In fact, we have personally gone into those areas. One of our MLAs, Bright Star Will Marvin from Maulai, in fact contacted the SP to go with him to the site where illegal extraction of mine is taking place. Not only illegal extraction, forcefully taking possession of the land which doesn't belong to them, belongs to this Lombangla village. So what else do you expect from this government? I think it is very unfortunate that the rescue operation has been called off so fast. Unless the government knows exactly how many miners are there inside the coal mines, the government should not resort to the cancellation or call off of that rescue operation. But I don't know whether the government, maybe according to their information, that there were no miners inside. But according to the local, the information that we received from the local, they are 100% sure that the figures which was given by the government is too small enough.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.